In front of me is OPPO Reno15 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple layout on this OPPO. Start by opening Play Store and downloading this app, LaunchOS from Launcher Studio. Not sponsored, by the way. When it's ready, you don't have to open it just yet. Go into Settings instead and swipe to hit Apps section available here. Then hit Default Apps. Click on Home App and tap on Launcher Pro to apply it. Make sure to tap on Allow All in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. To make any changes to it, go into Launcher app and adjust all of those options. If you want to go back to your default launcher, you can always do that by going back to the same settings and hitting System Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!